Indiana Animal Shelter enlists help of Pokémon Go players to walk dogs. An animal shelter in Muncie, Indiana, is enlisting Pokémon Go players to help walk the shelter's dogs as they train, battle and hunt for Pokémon. The Muncie, Indiana shelter started the volunteer program Pokémon Dogs on Tuesday morning, according to the shelter's director, Phil Peckinpah. He told ABC News Today he was inspired by his 6-year-old daughter, Ruthie, and his 7-year-old nephew, who got them to start playing the game. "I started playing with Ruthie, and it was actually pretty fun," he said. "Then the other day, while on my way to work, I noticed droves of young people walking around playing this game. I thought, wouldn't it be great if all those people were walking with our dogs?" So Peckinpah got to work and whipped up a digital flyer featuring a cute Cubone and Growlithe, 2 types of Pokémon. He posted it to the shelter's Facebook, and since then, the advertisement has received over 15,000 shares and 5,000 reactions. Muncie Animal Shelter. The Muncie Animal Shelter started a volunteer program on July 12, 2016, calling for Pokémon Go players to help walk the shelter's dogs. "Dozens of players have already come by to pick up a dog," Peckinpah added. "All the strange places Pokémon Go gyms can be found, including the White House and Middle of the Ocean entrepreneurial team, creates ride service business for Pokémon Go players." Officials urge caution as POC Copyright Monday app sweeps nation. "There's been an incredible response, and it's just kind of taken off," he said. "We even had to go and buy more leashes this morning." The animal shelter has even received attention from Pokémon Go players across the nation and the globe, including this lad from the UK, who tweeted, "Mate, someone get me to Muncie, Indiana now please. Walking dogs and Pokémon Go? Sign me up. Mate, someone get me to Muncie, Indiana now please. Walking dogs and Pokémon Go? Sign me up pic." Twitter com/HJR8IQ5V5Y Manver Baines, at MannyBLFC, July 12, 2016. The shelter director added that there are about 75 adoptable dogs that can be taken out for walks, so there's definitely still room for more volunteers. "Just swing by and come to our front desk and ask for the Pokémon dogs," Peckinpah said with a laugh. Muncie Animal Shelter. Muncie Animal Shelter Director Phil Peckinpah is pictured here on a Pokémon hunt with shelter dog Winston. He explained that anyone age 15 or older can volunteer by themselves, and if you're younger, you just have to bring a parent.